Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to do the installation of IBM App Connect Enterprise version 13 on Windows platform, and in future videos, I'll also try to cover how to install IBM App Connect Enterprise on Linux platform. So you need to open this link in the browser. It will open the documentation for IBM App Connect, which provides you all the steps needed to install IBM App Connect Enterprise. So if you look at this step one, it has a link, this download. Once you click it, it will open a new browser. If you're not logged in, it will ask you for the credentials which you can provide, and if you do not have an account, then you can create an account which is needed in order to download this. So it will open this page where it provides you what are the limitations. So it's an evaluation edition which you can use free of charge uh, for basic development and evaluation of the product. It has certain limitations, but it provides you all the capabilities which you can use. So educating myself for the technology and decision maker. No. Okay. What do you like? Representative? No. So you have to agree the terms. So here you have different options which are available. So we will be downloading IBM App Connect version 13. Next, it will ask you for which platform you want to download. So in the meantime, it's loading. So we'll look at all these steps. So it will download an archive file which we can extract, and then that extracted version will have an executable installer which we can use for the installation. So here it's providing which version for which platform you want to download. In this tutorial, we'll be downloading the App Connect Enterprise version 13 for Windows platform. So just click on this download button. It will start the download process. It will take some time to do the download because it's around 2 gigabytes in size, and not sure why the speed is slow on mine. So let's pause this video for now and see if it once it's complete, we'll resume that.
So now I think the download has been completed. Let's extract this. So whatever directory where you want to do the extraction. So it will take some time to do the extraction. Once the extraction is completed, as I told you earlier, it will have the installer file which we can use for the installation. So now it's done. Let's open it and run the install. So you can see that it has this setup.exe file, so you just have to double click it. So we have to again agree to terms, and in case you want to do the customization, for example, I don't want to install this under the program file, so you can specify the location where you want to install, and whether you need the toolkit, because for this we will be doing development, so we need this toolkit, and whether you need the additional OpenADI editor, IBM App Connect discovery connectors, and I think that's and then you can click install. So it will try to do the installation. Once the installation completes, so we will have the toolkit which we can use. So now the installation has been completed, and there is a log file in case you want to look at it. If there are any errors, so this will help you in identifying and resolving those issues. So let's close that and open the toolkit which has been installed. So you can specify the workspace which you will be using for your development. So now you can see the toolkit is open, and we are good to go for the development. So it has this welcome page which provides you uh, the tutorials which you can use in order to learn uh, different concepts which you can implement within IBM App Connect toolkit. So thank you very much. We will start our development hopefully in future videos. Thank you very much.